nasa Hawaii pa lang ako noon, bali 4 years ago po. I've been watching her, I've seen her in movies already. Tapos, I don't know why, masaya lang ako pag napapanood ko siya. And at the time, I was sad. I felt like no one understood me. Tapos nung napapanood ko siya, I was laughing. Tapos masaya ako pag napapanood ko siya. Kaya po, simula nun, hindi ko na po, tuwing naririnig ko na po name niya, yung parang tuwing pinagtatanggol ko siya, lahat ng ganon. I don't know.